This time in Nugget Garage we brought Kevin the Savage out to the racetrack. We're going to give him a bit of a hard time out here. Hopefully it works and doesn't die. I don't know how well it'll go, but
I'm totally sure it's going to actually make any boost off the line either without spinning.
Yeah, so, could be a few.
I bought a few more nitrous jets, so we might have to.
You brought a few nitrous jets?
We got 50, 60-ish, and 150.
Oh, good.
So somewhere between there. And
we'll just put the 150 in and just give it to it if it doesn't work out well. And
well, the track's a bit stickier, so it might not just spin like I just did then.
I dare say so.
Yeah.
Well, we'll see what happens. Well, here we are. This is it. Go and sign in and get on the track. Come on, Kevo.
We have to beat 12-3.
Well, see how we go in a minute, I guess. Righto, Kev. It's your chance to shine, my friend. Old mate's up here watering down the track for us, not to get rid of the dirt, but because he knows there's a V6 coming and it needs all the water it can to do a burnout. Righto, Kev, it's all you, my friend. We'll see if this thing can actually do a skid. Last time we were here, Kevin, we were in a Ford. Don't let me down, friend. Don't let me down. Good God, Kevin. That's a bloody limiter. Kevin's a savage. Good grief. Kevin is nasty. I didn't hold it on the line at It red lit. Tried to stall it a bit hard. Pushed through the beams in red lit, so did get off it early. Kevin's a weapon in the water box. Bloody hell, Kev, straight to top in limiter. Alright, first run didn't really go to plan. I kind of red lit pretty hard. Pushed the wheels for a fair way through it, so it was like a 2.060, so it was crap. And I didn't change gears fast enough either. Like, Kevin is an animal. It's just it's a bit mental actually. I picked on him in the burnout box and he gave it back to me. So now we're into racing, so that was our only qualifying run, so we don't know how fast it's going to go. So I've kind of just got to pick a number and go, so we're probably going to get kicked out after this first run. So that'll be all we get for Kevin. But anyway, we'll give it a go and see how we go.
That's a bit ambitious.
It is ambitious, but we'll give it a go.
It's not what I had in mind, but we've got a one-shot, one-run deal.
We'll go a little bit less throttle at the burnout, I think. Old Kev done mind a bit of limiter bashing in his typical V6 ways. Righto, Kev. Don't be so savage this time, bro. You're an animal. To turn the damn nitrous on. This thing revs quick. Like, holy shit quick. Well, that's us out of the race. So what did it do? So I forgot to turn the gas on because I'm an idiot, and I also hit limiter again pretty hard. Still went 1.8 to 60, but I went 12.2 at 117 mile an hour. That's almost 10-second territory. First pass. I am happy with that. That was 1.8. That's no gas. That was. I think it was about 2,800-ish.
So how much time do you reckon it was?
Yeah. So, but if I didn't hit limiter like that would have been 11-second pass, no gas. See how much I messed up.
I reckon I made it too rich.
Yeah. Yeah, so I got to learn to get that gear change quicker. It gets there pretty quick.
Can't really see any gear changes.
Because it was just probably all in limiter. It just fucking goes there. I mean, ordinary goes there. It's just ordinary goes there.
You know how I said I put too much fuel in it?
Yeah, not enough.
I did.
Too much.
10.3.
Oh. Yeah, okay.
Yeah, I was going to go and get my laptop, so I went, I should have changed that.
That's good though.
It's got heaps more in it.
Yeah. And we were at £15?
Maybe a scotch more.
A spooge more?
It's about 60. Right there, fuel ratio's good. Just when you really zing it, you're going that.
Yeah, okay.
I fixed that now.
That's good for a first outing.
What happened with the gear change there?
I don't know.
You didn't even back off.
No, I just hit the bloody shifter. Went, go, you bastard.
6500 limiter, 6500 limiter. That kind of did something.
Yeah.
Then it drove through.
It just.
And then the second, third dropped it down to 4900. And then it spent the whole back half trying to pull its ass back up to 5800. It was too rich. So it left with.
I stalled it at probably to
It
28.
left with a half a pound of boost, if that.
I think I was stalling it until about 28 and then gave it a spot more and it just left.
Basically,
Where are we here? Is that where I was stalling it up?
This is burnout.
Yeah, but what's that flat line there?
That's you stalling
Is that-
it up, and then you tromped it.
Engine speed. Yeah, so I was thinking I was up around 28 there. So, but it was higher, was it?
Well, that's when you tromped the throttle.
Yeah, okay, so
25.
25.
And then
Yeah.
as you got it to full throttle, it went 3100.
Yeah.
You know, that's zero. That's no boost at all. That's where the nitrous should have been on. and it still went, what, 1864?
Yeah, it still went 1.8.
I reckon we'll just spray the thing the whole way down.
How about we just let me get a couple of gear change goes at it. I don't know. I'm just not catching that first gear change. I don't know if it's turning a little bit and just spiking it, or whether I'm just fucking zoning out for a minute. It is savage. Kevin's a weapon. Right, that's Kevin done for the night. We only had 2 passes. We got here a bit late and we didn't get a whole deal of qualifying time. So we got 1 run in, which I completely cocked up. And then the second run I partially cocked up, but it still went well.
So basically it's revving through first gear so fast that you can't change gears fast enough to catch it before it hits the rev limiter.
Yeah, Kevin's
So
brutal.
Instead of shifting earlier, we decided to put the limiter up a bit.
That
little
makes
bit.
sense.
And then he still hit the rev limiter.
Yeah.
Lots.
Ooh, nasty. Yeah, I actually hung off the limiter for a while. Like
So on that
true VR.
that last
owner.
pass, he didn't turn the nitrous on either, so it went basically where we wanted it to make ET in the 60 foot. It didn't. It still went at 1.8 60 foot.
Yeah, it was still
Then it spent a second or half second and a half on the rev limiter.
did.
Then it went into second gear, and then I made a change from my tiny little bit of data on the pass before, and I made it too rich, and it pulled all the way through third gear, went 117 mile an hour, but it was pretty bloody rich.
Yeah.
So it's got plenty of potential.
But 117's awesome. 117's
If we can get that, I reckon we can get that to
117's a
120.
low 11, isn't it? Really, or a
I reckon
high?
we can get that to 120 because you were on the limiter for a long time.
Yeah, I was
100
absolutely hanging off at like the
120
back streets of Logan. Like,
120 is good enough for a 10.9 with a like 60 foot.
yeah.
So.
It's got plenty in it. It's awesome.
does.
So I'm pretty impressed with it. 12.2 anyway, 1.8. 8.0 in the 8th mile, which is the same as the 1JVS Ute did. Just saying.
It's not fair, mate.
It is, but it's the
It didn't
same.
make boost for like 3 seconds.
Doesn't matter. I don't care if you're running 2.5s and this is 1.8. It is officially done the same 8th mile as the 1JU.
Fair enough.
Kevin's weapon.
Kevin's a weapon.
Got on you, Kev. You dickhead.
Alright, so
Look
we're
at
going to
you.
go and fix Barry up.
Yeah, I think
Barry
a
up
few upgrades for Barry. I think.
Should be a good
Injectors,
race.
intercooler, E85.
Yeah. And we've got to figure out how to use 2 trailers to get it in.
Yeah. I've got to figure out how to drive this damn thing.
Maybe even just take off in second gear.
Maybe.
Might even work.
Could probably almost do it. We might even try that.
Yeah.
So anyway,
Unfortunately, it's
that's all from
3 weeks now before we can get on the track again.
yeah. There's nothing till the end of the month. So anyway,
All right.
12.2 official 12.2 car. So it's
And
quicker than Barra.
It was quicker than Barry.
And
And it was quicker than the other V8 Black Commodore that was here.
it was. The V8 one went 12.3 or 12.4.
Well, it went 12.4, but I dialed in a 12.38.
Oh,
So.
there you go. So it's gone. So we're quicker than its less weird cousin. So that's good. I'm good with that. Anyway, we'll
All right.
load this thing up, take it home, and we'll see you next week. Hang on.
Johnny
My
says,
friend,
can I
shut
get him?
up.
He's on the brakes, he's listening on the radio. He always does, but too much, Johnny.
Shut up, mate.
Guy, 15.
Good grief. Kevin, you savage man. Good God.
Look at him doing some work.
Bono. Oh shit, motherfucker. Good on you, Kev, you dickhead.
Even just as bad, 1748.
15s.
But it is the
Johnny.
less of the
Good on you,
worst.
Johnny. So should we take some back out and hit it with the gas on the... No, don't be silly. Why would you take it back out? It's in there now. You have to leave it. So it's got a f***ing 10 in it, eh?
Because it's the hard thing to do to be good these days with all these automatics.
8-0 in the 8th.
It left really good. That sort of, you had the gas turned off totally.
Yeah, I forgot to turn the f***ing switch on.